righty, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How is everybody doing today? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. I hope this video finds you well and in good spirits and healthy. What I want to do today, guys, I want to go over what we are going to be talking about and what we're going to be doing and working on for this week. This week is a shortened week, so you are going to have one day off on Wednesday for Veterans Day. So that's going to kind of change up how we do things and what we do for tomorrow and Wednesday. But all in all, it should work itself out and it should even itself out in the end. So I want to lay out what we're doing so everybody's clear and everybody's on the same page. And then if you guys have any questions today at all, feel free to send me an email and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. So the lesson for today, and let me just pull it up real quick. I'm giving you guys a work day, a chance to kind of catch up on any assignments from last week that you owe. I want to just make sure that we start off on a good note, on a good foot, so that everybody is able to finish those homework assignments. All three of them were graded: the workbook assignment, the key terms, and your America's Before 1500 notes. Those were all graded. Those all have grades attached to them. So you need to make sure you have those done. And I don't care if they're late. I want them to just be submitted so I can give you points for them rather than a zero. There were a lot of zeros I saw from homework assignments from the first quarter, and I want to make sure we start off where we don't have any zeros for the first quarter. So I would like you guys to go ahead and work on those assignments. So like I said, take time to complete some of the assignments that were assigned last week. So you've got your workbook assignment, the Europe and Africa workbook assignment. You've got your units 2 and 3 key terms 10 through 16, or the Americas Before 1500 notes. So as long as you get those done, you're all set. You're good to go. And everything will be completed and you'll be all caught up. Just as a reminder, you need to complete the questions in your notes, those the Americas Before 1500 notes, by November 13th. That is by Friday. All right, they'll be due on Friday. So make sure you get those in. Make sure they are on time, please. All right, so that's what you're going to do today. The other thing I want to remind you of is please just make sure, I just started this today. This will be an easy way for me to keep track of attendance. So please make sure you mark down that you were here using the attendance for 11-9 assignment. Just mark yourself, mark it, turn in like we did before, so that I know you checked out my Google Classroom and you viewed it, and you viewed the lesson and all of that so that I can mark you present. Okay, so make sure you do that, please. On Tuesday, tomorrow, just a heads up, we're going to have a synchronous lesson because nobody's going to be here on Wednesday. What I want to do is I want to make sure that everybody gets the lesson. We're going to talk about Africa. We're going to finish up Africa. And I'm going to ask you guys a question based on a map. And I want you to try to answer the question to the best of your knowledge and to the best of your ability. We're going to talk a little bit about it before, and then I'm going to ask you to answer that question. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow. On Thursday and Friday, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the Americas Before 1500. Excuse me, we've been trying to get to this. It's taken us a little longer than I planned, but we'll be talking about it on Thursday and Friday in class for your live lesson. For your digital lesson, what I would like you guys to do, I want you to go ahead and I want you to do key terms 1 through 9. All right. So that's what we're going to work on. We're going to complete the key terms and go with the Americas Before 1500. That is key terms 1 through 9. Okay. You should already have 10 through 16 completed. And if you took advantage of the assignment a couple weeks ago where you could take and just work on the key terms and get those done, as much of those as you could done, then you will already have these done and all you'll have to do is submit them. So just get key terms 1 through 9 completed if you have not done it already. And that will be what you have for the digital lesson on Thursday and Friday. Those key terms are going to be due November 18th. That is next week, Wednesday. All right. So please make sure you have those done by next week, Wednesday, and you'll have this homework assignment completed. That wraps up what we are going to be doing for this week, guys. These will be posted as those days start. Please make sure you don't leave. Please make sure you stay in for a synchronous lesson on Tuesday. And then Thursday, Friday, it'll go back to the way we normally do things. With that said, I hope you guys have a fantastically awesome day, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, guys.